Hey guys, in this video, I want to explain you how I built a minimum viable product in less than 2 weeks, completing the full cycle, okay? From designing the minimum viable product to planning the marketing and also, of course, developing the app. This app has nothing to do with Kobo. This is an app for a client. So as you may already think, I can't share the complete details, but I will show you the complete process, everything we did to be able to achieve this. And the thing is not building the app in 2 weeks because that's something that anyone can do, but building something that is worth it in less than 2 weeks. If it's the first time that you're watching my videos, my name is Justo, and I'm in a process of trying to create 12 apps in 1 year or until one of the app becomes successful. Now I'm building the fourth app, Kobo, an app that helps you create content that drive users, signups to your software as a service, and also revenue. I will explain you everything in a minute, but first of all, I want to ask you that if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, you can subscribe and hit the like button because in that way we can keep reaching new people and it only takes 2 seconds. It doesn't take too much effort to subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we did was defining, first of all, the primary goal, okay? What specific outcome we wanted to achieve, okay, with the first version. Then one of the things that I repeat on almost every single video, the target user, the success metric or the activation metric, the acquisition plan channel, sorry, the testimonial plan, the messaging, and if there was anything else that it could increase friction on the user and that we may had to remove it probably. Then we aligned on the design, so we defined the scope clarity, tone and style that is something like a bit secondary, but it also helps. Then the screens that we needed to have, non-negotiables. Then the happy path, okay? What would be the ideal path for the user to achieve the core result of the app? And then if we wanted to expand later on and to add a new languages or whatever. Then from the development perspective, we aligned on the core feature, okay, what we needed to do in order to be able to create the minimum viable product, okay, which was the core action, what the user needed in the app to be able to achieve the desired results. Then the complexity audit. If there was anything in our initial idea that might be optional or could be pushed to version 2, then what information do we need to collect at that specific stage? Then if we wanted to integrate any third party or whatever, then performance expectations like speed, volume, reliability. Then if we wanted to launch on a closed group or an open group, and then finally how we were going to manage the feedback. So once we had all that information, I jumped to, simply on paper, and I started designing the core user flow. And you may think, why on paper? Why do you design the core flow on paper? Because when you jump to the computer, there's a lot of noise and it's a bit difficult to concentrate. So I gather all the information that I need, and then and only then I start designing everything in the computer. This is the place where I take most of my decisions, okay? And that saves me ton of time because here I start thinking about how to make the user's life easier. How can I improve the flows as much as I can so the user can achieve the desired results fast and easy. Because the fastest the user achieves the desired results, the more money that he or she will be willing to pay for the app. So as I was telling you, I usually start on paper, then I jump on the computer and I start designing all the flows, but in a kind of improved version. Then I design the wireframes and then a prototype. After that, and only once I complete that process, I start developing the app. I start programming. And for this app, it was really quick. Because I took the time to gather all the information, then designed the flows. So programming the app was only, I mean, taking all the things that I designed and putting them into code. It wasn't more than that. Of course, you may need to create a simple backend or things like that, but I use Next.js, so I have more. I mean, most of the stuff already built, and I also use Velox on almost every single app, which is a boilerplate that helps you create software as a service applications 50% faster. It was one of the apps that I built. And the only thing left once you did that is start polishing based on the user feedback. So we have quickly designed the core flows. We already have the app developed, and we already have all the marketing strategy that we will start executing. So on the next couple of days, the close testing will start. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something with this video. If you like it, you can hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't lose the upcoming videos that I'm 100% sure that you will love. On the next couple of days, I will be launching Kobo, so I will recommend you to stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.